Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about simple and parallel circuits. A circuit is a closed path in which electricity flows through. It requires a battery, few wires, a button or switch, and an electrical component. This is a parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, the electricity flows through a closed path in different branches. So that means if these both things are working, and if this wire is disconnected, see, the LED is still working. And in the simple circuit, this thing is working and I remove the wire, but it's not working anymore. It's because the electricity only has one path to flow through. So, the parallel circuits are mostly used in houses for their efficiency, but they consume more power and are very expensive. This simple circuit is easy to make, but this is very complex and harder to make. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on videos like these. Thank you.